your Motor God. Welcome back with brand new video. And in this video I'm gonna compare exhaust note between Yamaha RX 135 stock silencer and Yamaha RX 135 cat silencer. So let's get started. Testing our exhaust note of a 135 stock silencer. Come on bro, start it. Gear lo undi bro. It's in the gear. So this is the exhaust note of a 135. So this is the idle exhaust of the altered muffler. So right now we're gonna compare with the cat silencer. So give it a start bro. This is a perfect comparison between both the motorcycles because both are 135cc. And yeah, this is a small comparison video. Hope you guys liked it. And thanks Daniel bro for giving your motorcycle for the video.
Thank you bro.
And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace.